Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel once again. Today we start a new work and it is this. After so many cars, RC cars, I want to relax myself a bit with this balsa wood and paper, perhaps flying plane. I say perhaps because I'm not so good in flying this kind of planes. But before, I want to show you, and in this video today I want to teach, the way to do this. This is a pin that I've made by myself because I looked on eBay to find pins about the model constructor. I found nothing, and I had a decal from Gillows, and why not try to do my own pin? And this is the result. In this video we do another pin for this, and I show you how. Comment, like and subscribe. This is all what you need to do your own pin. Starting from a decal, some drawing, everything you want, plastic, paper, no matter. Take the measure, report the measure here, cut with a file, refinish, make a hole, first a little one in this size, then a bigger one for the head of the pin. I'm going to do the head with a hammer, pam 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 pam. Then this is to keep the pin firm, drawing. And yes, I forgot. We have to weld with white metal stagno. How do you say stagno? You understand stagno? This we call stagno in Italy. One, and the welder is here under. Okay, the resin. The first one I made with a sort of very thick varnish that is to cover planes and protect from the gasoline, the gas, alcohol, oil and so on. But it is a little bit yellow and it remains quite gummy. This is perfect transparent and like glass. This here to do 50 and 50, very easy. Let's start the work. Yes, my welder is not so powerful. I need something more professional, perhaps. Okay. Okay, it's enough. Now, the sticker. Okay. And now 1 and 2. There are some bubbles, but they say that they come away, and if it remains so, it's fantastic. Now I have to wait to dry. Wonderful. Let's see the result. Finger cross. And this is the result. I think it's almost perfect. Fantastic. I love it. Quite professional. The resin is like glass. I think that I can wear it. And for today, this is all. My wonderful pin, another pin, so when I build a kyosho, I have it. I build Legillos, I have it. Tamiya, I have it too. Hope this video is useful for you, and thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and up to the next. This, or maybe something different. Who knows? Ciao!